Hello, this is Earth Science fourth quarter, and we are on lesson 10. Welcome back, everybody. Again, as always, I miss you. I hope everybody is doing well. So let's go look at our agenda for today. So first of all, again, is our mindfulness. So do your breathing. Breathe in and out, and in and out. And one more. Okay, and then do your attitude of gratitude. Think of some little thing you are grateful for. All right, for today's question of the day, what do you already know about seasons? So think about that. And I'm sure you have a lot of experience with that. So just think about anything you already know about the seasons. Today's Daily Funny. What kind of doctor is Dr. Pepper? Well, he is a physician because he's fizzy soda. Ha 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 ha. Learning target. I will use the information from the video to explain what tilt has to do with the seasons on Earth. Norms, I'm going to commit to using listening and focusing skills to get information from the video. Terms today include seasons, so we know a little bit about seasons already. Tilt, so when things are a little bit tipped off to the side. And then hemisphere, so if you think about the Earth and if you divided it in half at the equator, like right in the middle, you could have the northern hemisphere on the top and the southern hemisphere on the bottom. All right, what we did previously, what we're doing moving forward. So this is the first part of our last unit, and we will be moving forward thinking about naturally occurring seasons, weather, and climate. And then we're going to think about how humans are impacting those seasons, weather, and climate so that it's no longer just naturally influenced. So we're going to think about our influence or our impact on that. Okay, continuing on in our agenda. So we actually have two big activities we're going to do today. First, we're going to be setting up a subfolder. We're going to call this, whatever your name is, worksheets. We're putting this inside of your fourth quarter Earth Science folder on your Google Drive. I am going to be giving you directions both on these slides, and then I'm going to actually do it like a video live on the Google Drive. And then after we're done with that, we're going to watch a video called Bill Nye the Science Guy, Earth Seasons. There is a worksheet. I have the worksheet attached to the Google Classrooms. You can look at that. There are some things that you need to fill in before you watch the video. You're going to tell me what you already know about seasons before you watch the video, and then you're going to watch the video. And I am sorry, there are ads. It's just the way it is. So just ignore those ads. While you are watching the video, you're going to complete the rest of the worksheet. And I realize that maybe you're going to be able to download it and then answer it on the worksheet and then put it in the folder we're making. But it's okay if you can't get that to work. You can write your answers in a Google Doc and then put that in the folder, or you can even just take out a piece of paper, write your answers on a piece of paper, take a photo of that, and then stick that photo into a Google Doc that is in the worksheets folder that we're making. I am not being particular about how this is going to get put in there. I just want to get your answers. All right, after we're all done with this, your wrap up would be that you're able to use the information from the video to explain what tilt has to do with the seasons on Earth. And again, really not homework because we're all at home anyway, but I do want to make sure that you put the work from the video into your Google subfolder that we are making for worksheets. Okay, so here we are looking at setting up our subfolders in our Earth Science folder, so make sure you're following the directions I'm giving. Pause the video as needed so you can go through this process. Okay, so first of all, you need to open Google in your browser and then click on the dots for the apps. And I drew a little arrow here where those dots are on your screen. After you do that and you click on those dots, you should see all these different apps come up. I want you to click on the one that looks like a triangle and says Drive. We have done this before, so just do it again. So you're clicking on this one. I put a circle and an arrow to it again. All right. After you do that, you need to look in your drive. Okay, so this should be your drive. And then you need to find the folder that we already made that says your name, 4th quarter Earth Science. So I put a circle around mine. So it says Mary Searing, 4th quarter Earth Science. You need to click on that folder. All right. Once you click on that folder, you should already see in there where it says your name, Plate Tectonics Project. All right, so we're in the right folder, hopefully. Then you need to click on the big plus that is off to the left where it says New. After you click on that plus, you should get a little drop-down menu, and you're clicking New Folder, okay? After you click New Folder, you're going to get this little pop-up in the middle of your screen where it says New Folder, and there's going to be a spot to put the name of it. When you see that, I want you to type in your name, first and last name, and then worksheets, and then hit the Create button, okay? So then once you're done with that, you should have actually 2 subfolders, just like I have on this screen, inside of your 4th quarter Earth Science folder. Any notes, any worksheets, any documents, anything for the upcoming lessons should be put into the worksheets subfolder, including the thing that we are going to be working on today. So let's look at how I have this set up here. So first of all, oopsie, let me go back a second here. All right, so you need to have Google open, okay? And then you are going over here and you're clicking on these dots, okay? And then you're going to be looking for the Google Drive. Mine's down a little ways. So here is the drive. I'm clicking on that. This is my drive. So I need to be looking in here. I got a bunch of stuff in here. I need you to find the one that you have for the 4th quarter Earth Science. So here's mine. So you need to open that folder. Okay. Open. There we go. So inside of here, I already have a subfolder called Mary Searing Plate Tectonic Project. Okay, everything from your project should already be in there. We're going to go over here where it says New. See that big plus where it says New? Click on New. There's going to be a drop down. You're going to see Folder. I don't want any of these other things. I want a new folder. So click on that, and then this screen pops up where it says a spot for your name. So you're going to put your first and last name. And then you're going to call this Your Name Worksheets. Whoopsie, I can spell. There we go. And then we're going to hit Create. And then in a second, there you go. You have a second folder. So everything, including the Bill Nye video worksheet that we're doing today, or your notes on separate paper, all of that is going in there. Anything we do in this unit that's a worksheet or notes or whatever, you are going to put into this folder. Okay, so let's get back to what we're doing here. So we should have the worksheet on your Google Classroom. And again, if you cannot like download this and type on it or whatever, just have it open and you can write your answers or type your answers and then put that into your worksheets folder. So you should see a video that looks like this. Again, I have the link also on the Google Classroom for Bill Nye. There's actually 2, and you're going to go to this and watch the video. It starts off looking like this with greetings from Paris. They're going to start talking about seasons from there, okay? Before you actually start the video, I need you to make sure you're writing down 3 things that you already know about seasons. Okay, that's the first thing that you are asked to do. And then as you go through the video, you're going to be answering the rest of the questions. And again, you can do this on a Google Doc or on your own piece of paper if you cannot get the worksheet to download for you. Okay? All right, so go watch that video. Again, there are 2 links on the Google Classroom. Watch the video, answer the questions as you go. Pause this while you are going to go do that. Okay. So you're watching the video. Again, pause the video as you need to. Make sure you're writing things down, answer the rest of the questions. And again, you can decide if you want to download the worksheet and try and answer on it. If that works for you, great. And then another option would be that you just type your answers on a Google Doc. Again, you can just have the worksheet open and then look at that and type as you go, pause the video, whatever. Or if it's easier, just write your answers on a piece of paper, take a photo of that, and put that photo into a Google Doc. Okay? Whichever you decide, make sure you are putting your work into the subfolder, which you called Your Name Worksheets. Okay, again, make sure you're doing that right now. You can pause this and go to the Bill Nye video to answer the questions about that. Okay, so hopefully you are done with that. So your homework really is just to put your work from the video into the Google subfolder for your worksheets. Please contact me if you need help. Again, my email is searinm@mapleton.us. I hope all of you are continuing to do well. I miss you, and take care. Stay safe. Love you all. Bye-bye.